Yo, what up, family? What up? It's your boy CHARTPLUG, man. Last week was like an awesome week. I'm sure everybody who was following my videos and everybody in my Telegram channel actually had a profitable week, you know. And to everybody who followed my analysis, all I can say is kudos to you guys for trusting me. But yeah, I mean, last week it was a really interesting week because most of my analysis went the right way, and I'm sure that you guys even know about that. So yeah, but otherwise, let's see what we have in store for us this week, guys. So yeah, that's basically my analysis for last week. But let me just make a new one. You know what I mean? Well, okay, no, wait. Yeah, I think I'll just need these. Let me see. Let me remove this. Okay. So now what we see here, this is called what is it called again? I would say it's called a falling wedge, but it would have been a proper one if this price here actually came to this lower low and then actually went up. But instead, it formed the double bottom here and then shot back up straight, and then it actually broke through the trend line. It broke through this trend line. So what I can expect happening for this week is let me see. First of all, start off on the weekly. The weekly we have a bullish engulfing candle. Also looks like a hammer. And then also last week, as you can see, we actually got a hammer, indicating that this week, 2 weeks ago we had a hammer, indicating that next week, which is last week, we're gonna have a bullish trend, right? So yeah, we get back to the daily. The daily is actually indicating now a breakthrough, and then we have a shooting star. So what can you expect this week? What I can expect this week is, let me get to the 4 hour. Yes, okay. As you can see, this place was a strong resistance for some time. Then now it became support, right? So price managed to bounce through and basically it broke off and retested this line here. So what I can expect price to do is looking at previous price movements. Price normally, when it breaks through, it goes up. For example, you see, like on the downward trend, it broke through, retested, went down, went up, went down, broke through. You see, it's been playing around this region for a while. And then if you look at this area here, what it did is it broke through and retested it, then continued with an upward momentum, right? So then we get to this region here. The price came back down, the bounced off this region, continued playing around here, bounced off it again, went up there, broke through, retested, went down, retested, or should I say bounced through, came down to make a double bottom, and then actually broke through, and then now retested. So I can expect price to do, you know, for the next coming week, whatever it does during the week. But I expect price to actually go up. But up to where, right? The question is up to where. So what I'm gonna do is get my Fibonacci, my cousin. Basically with this Fibonacci, I'm gonna get this higher high and get the lower low. So basically I can expect price to flip. Sorry. Yeah. So basically I can expect price to let me say reach the 112.26 for basically the 0.618 line. Why? Because also again, if I zoom out a little bit, then I draw my support and resistance. I see that region also. I mean, we have a region up here for like, you know, has an ugly color. My God, green. Why green? Let me give it that. Yeah. This area was a strong support, strong support, strong resistance, strong breakthrough, strong resistance, strong resistance. So I can expect price to come to this next resistance of let me say 112 before I can give you further analysis. Hopefully this will happen during the week, I guess, and then from then we can see what's gonna happen. Let me just give it. Let me just do it like a straight line, and I give it a nice color. Yeah. So basically, that's my analysis. Breakthrough retested, so I can expect price to go as high as 112 for the week. Yeah. Then you get to CCME. I'm a gold digger. So flips, not gold. It's XAUUS USD. Yeah. What I can expect gold to do is let me see. Well, I've had so many arrows on it. Yeah, I'll just restart. Okay, let me see. Do I have any? Okay, sweet. Okay, yeah. So now we have this week's basically what happened last week is this. So firstly, what we do is to get to the weekly, right? The weekly we see bullish. Bearish momentum. That's the first thing we see, and it looks like it's continued bearish momentum, right? So then we get to the daily. Okay, to get to the daily, let me zoom out a little bit. Okay, we get to the daily. What do I expect to happen? Okay, well, to be honest with you, I can expect this price to come back to this 0.618 line, which is around 1234. But this is gold, so I mean gold is very stubborn. But all I know is you see the reason between 12.54 and 12.44. It may actually play around for a bit before actually coming down to 1234. But I see it coming down this low, and then maybe once it busts off this trend line under here, then maybe I can give a clear indication of where price would go to. But yeah, as long as it makes higher lows, I know that our next point now will be with 1300, you know. But as long as we get our higher lows here, then I'm sure the next point is 12, or is 12. It's the 1300 point, or should I say 1300 ounces of gold. So yeah, the reason being also is because the USD is kind of like strong recently due to the fact that they increased the interest rate by 25 basis points. So I can still see some bullish US dollar movement for a bit, or should I say US dollar strength for a bit, before you can actually think of actually shorting it. So we get to what? Euro USD. Euro USD. I don't know if you guys saw. I don't know if all of you guys watched the whole video for my previous analysis. But if you guys watched it, most of you guys saw my GBP JP analysis, and you guys basically saw how it played out. So for those who saw my analysis at the end of the video, kudos to you guys for watching my whole videos. I know that I can trust you guys, you know. So I respect y'all. Y'all are the real MVPs. But anyway, yeah, I know, you know, USD was had to follow its god, you know what I mean? Like it had to follow my analysis, otherwise it was gonna get a whooping. So yeah, okay, we get to the weekly. Let me see what the weekly be saying. The weekly, wow, weekly we have let me remove this chart plug. Weekly we have a looking like a doji, which probably shows indecision. Okay, this chart is not even clear this chart is not even clear here. So yeah, look at it, it's just not clear at all. Look at that. What's going on? I don't even know what's going on. But anyway, let's get to our 4 hour. Let's go in. Let's see what we can do, man. I mean, we can always try out different things. Okay, let's try out this. I'm a guy who likes. Oh yeah. Okay. Wow. Let's try out them trend lines, man. Let's see what we get. You know what I mean? Alright, okay. Okay, I see this trend line here. And also, you see this blue trend line also intersects with this green trend line at the point where price is. So maybe I can I can start shorting Euro USD here, and then maybe take it down to the maybe I can start shorting it. Then it'll probably come around here. The reason why I'll be shorting it is because you see it broke out this green line, this green trend line, broke it out, then retested the green trend line. So I can expect price to, let me say, breakout, retest, then continuation of trend down, right? So yeah, but if at all we see a different movement, then I'll reanalyze it in the Telegram channel, and then I basically post my new analysis on the Telegram channel. So yeah, my people, we get to what news, right? Oh yeah. I mean that's my analysis. You know, I always give you guys 3 analysis, 3 pairs every week. But then last week I decided to give you 4. Well, basically give the guys who watch my whole video 4, because I put the last analysis at the end of the video. But today I'm not gonna make those. I mean I'm not gonna make another analysis at the end, unfortunately, because I feel like I've blessed y'all enough. You know, I'll bless y'all when I'm feeling good again. So yeah, Monday we have AUD monetary policy. Listen, that's nothing. Then we get to Tuesday. We got the government Carney speaks for GBP. Then we have the Swiss franc chairman Jordan speaking. Swiss franc, yeah, basically he's picking Tuesday. I mean, I don't care. I just stick to my technicals all day, every day. Wednesday we got crude oil. Oh yeah, you see on Wednesday, I think I found a strategy for trading oil on Wednesdays, right? On Wednesdays, 4:30 GMT 2+. Yeah. In my time it's around 4:30. So y'all can basically convert that to whatever time zone you guys are at. But I think I got a nice strategy for it. So basically, y'all can follow me on my social media, whether it's Instagram or anywhere. I'll be posting up a video of it if I remember. But yeah, otherwise someone should remind me. Okay, and then we get to Thursday. We get core retail sales. Core retail sales for Canada, and then USD unemployment claims. So maybe you can also watch out for that, because last week it did wonders. So I can expect it to maybe do something. Friday we have CPI for the Canadian dollar. So yeah, yo my people, like y'all saw my setups, easy things and everything. Last week I gave you guys like 16 charts, man. Like that was so much. But this week I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I won't give you that much charts. I think 3 is enough. Y'all can focus on a few. I'll enjoy the 16 charts to myself. But yeah, I mean guys, I love you guys and everything. Y'all stay safe. Keep on pipping. If y'all need anything, man, y'all know where to talk to me. Like y'all just holler at me, man. I got y'all. So otherwise, stay safe, guys. Have a productive week, and catch those pips, not feelings. Away.